Everyone's talking about OpenAI's DevDay 2025 announcements and how they might have just killed off 90% of AI wrapper startups. So why don't we break down what OpenAI has released and see if those fears are justified in under 3 minutes? OpenAI introduced something called as ChatGPT apps, which let you use mini apps inside ChatGPT. These apps show up naturally during chats or can be called by name. For example, you can call or access Spotify within ChatGPT and prompt it with something like Spotify, make me a playlist for my party. And it works. And they've also added other interactive apps right inside ChatGPT, which means you don't need to jump between websites anymore. Imagine you're house hunting. You can open the Zillow app within ChatGPT, view property details, and even ask a follow up question like how close is this house to a park or a school? ChatGPT will pull that info directly from Zillow in real time. These mini apps can also include things like maps, forms, and videos, making conversations much more dynamic. What's cool is that this is all powered by a new open standard called MCP, Model Context Protocol, which lets ChatGPT safely talk to external tools and APIs. And it's not just Zillow, major brands like Expedia, Canva, and Figma already have working apps inside ChatGPT. In short, ChatGPT just turned into an AI powered app store you can talk to. So, the next big thing they announced is called the Agent Kit. And this one's a game changer for developers and businesses. Think of it as a complete toolkit to build your own AI powered agent and automation workflows without needing a ton of code. It comes with a visual agent builder, which is basically a drag and drop canvas where you can design your workflow just by describing what you want. Then there's ChatKit, which lets you instantly embed a custom chat widget into your website or app. What's really cool is that AgentKit also gives you built in evaluation tools to test your agent's responses, connectors to pull data from your existing sources, and safety guardrails to make sure everything runs responsibly. Before this, developers had to stitch together 5 or 6 different tools to get the same thing working. Now it's all in one place, clean, fast, and scalable. So if you want to build your company's own AI support agent or internal assistant, you could literally have it running in hours instead of weeks. OpenAI also rolled out a bunch of new models, and this part is huge. The highlight is GPT-5 Pro, their most advanced reasoning model yet. It's designed for complex, high accuracy tasks, the kind of things where every detail matters. Then there's Sora 2, which we all know and which we discussed in our previous episode. On the efficiency side, they introduced two lightweight mini models, GPT Real Time Mini, which lets you have real time voice conversations with AI at about 70% lower cost than the older voice model. And then there's another one, which is GPT Image 1 Mini, does image generation at nearly 80% cheaper while still keeping great quality. Altogether, that's 4 new models, faster, cheaper, and smarter. For developers, that means building powerful AI apps just got way more affordable. So, did OpenAI just kill all the wrapper startups? Not outright, but they certainly raised the bar. Many niche AI tool providers will need to innovate or integrate since OpenAI now offers an in house way to do a lot of what those startups are already doing or building. So, it's an exciting and a little nerve wracking time to be building with AI. So, that's it for today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one.